Congratulations on getting started with your braces. We're going to give you some tips and tricks to make your experience with braces the best experience possible. Proper oral hygiene is a critical part of orthodontic treatment. As you eat, your teeth and braces collect food which will eventually turn to plaque if not removed. If this plaque or debris is left on and around your braces, it can lead to decalcification or scarring, which is permanent. To avoid this, make sure you tilt your toothbrush down towards the area between your gums and brackets. This is where plaque accumulates most. Next, you want to tilt your toothbrush under your brackets towards your gums, brushing the area under your wire. Then, with circular motions, brush the tops of your braces. Make sure to brush the biting surfaces as well as behind your teeth, and don't forget your tongue. Dr. Truman recommends brushing 3 times a day or after every meal for at least 2 minutes. Remember, clean teeth do not decay and healthy gums do not swell or bleed. Now let's talk about flossing with braces. In order to floss, you will need to thread the floss under the arch wire. To do this, you can use a floss threader or super floss. Once you've threaded the floss under the arch wire, make sure you move the floss up and down, hugging each tooth, making a C shape. Repeat this process until you have cleaned in between all your teeth. This does take a little time and a little practice, but doing so can help shorten treatment time, so it is well worth the effort. This is a proxy brush. This special brush is used for those hard to reach places. Gently place the brush under the arch wire and clean around the bracket. These brushes are also great when you are out and about with no access to brushing. With braces, you still need to see your regular dentist at least every 6 months for cleanings and checkups. This will ensure that we won't encounter any surprises when your braces come off. Now that you know how to take care of your braces, let's talk about what to do if you encounter a problem during treatment. If something happens to your braces, remember it is not an emergency and does not need a same-day appointment unless pain or discomfort is involved. As you get used to your braces, you may experience some sore spots on the inside of your cheeks. If this happens, you can use wax to cover the area. To place the wax, take a small piece and soften it between your fingers. Place it over the area causing discomfort. Don't forget to remove the wax before eating and brushing. If you happen to break a bracket or feel a bracket sliding on the wire, call our office and we will get you scheduled accordingly. These appointments often require more time and usually can't be done at your regular adjustment. If a wire comes loose, you can take a pair of tweezers and try to insert it back into the bracket. Or, as a last resort, you can clip the wire with a pair of nail clippers. Just be sure to check with our office before doing so. Over-the-counter medications such as Motrin or Tylenol may be used to help ease your discomfort. Remember to follow the manufacturer's directions and dosages. There are a few harmful habits that can damage your braces and make your treatment longer than estimated, such as chewing on ice, pens, and pencils. Picking at your braces can also cause major damage to your wires and brackets, which can result in your teeth moving in the wrong direction. There are certain foods you should avoid during braces. Foods that are hard like nuts, hard candies, hard breads like pizza crust, and chips can knock brackets loose. Even sticky foods like gum, caramel, and taffy can cause damage as well. Make sure you cut up carrots and apples into small bite-sized pieces and cut any meat away from the bone. Expect to schedule your appointments every 8 to 10 weeks. Scheduling your next appointment before you leave our office is very important. Waiting to schedule until 1 to 2 weeks after your visit complicates the schedule since appointments book 8 weeks in advance. Well, that's it. Remember, we're always here to answer any questions you may have. Again, congratulations. We can't wait to give you an amazing smile.